Sell your home and pay 0% commission. Find out why realtors hate us and home sellers love us. Gain access to the same services of a realtor, but without the high cost. So when realtors read the headline, do you think they'll be pissed? You betcha. So I will let you in on a little secret. In years past, buyers had to work with a real estate agent because they were the only ones who had the database of available properties for sale. And as most people know, it is the MLS. Now, with improvements in technology, buyers have that same database resource, but now it's called Zillow. There's no reason to maintain the same pricing model that was used 50 years ago when the tasks and requirements are much different now. In fact, many real estate agents are working less time and earning more money because they charge the same 6% commission fee, and property values have increased substantially over the years. With any real estate transaction, you want to be sure that you are maximizing the cash flow for your benefit. It can be frustrating to see a big portion of your home equity handed over to a real estate agent when you are selling your house. On the other hand, it can be just as frustrating to buy a home and have the fees increase because you need to cover the cost of the real estate agent. Now, it's possible for you to pay a much lower cost and still have the quality service you deserve. It's how Uber has disrupted the taxi cab company. Now, it's the new generation of selling your home and pay 0 real estate commissions. Call us today so you can start saving too.